If you want to learn how to make money with Warrior Plus, you are in the right place. What's going on? My name is Garrett Berry. I've been online full-time the last 5 years, and what I'm going to break down in this video is exactly how to find a good affiliate product to promote using the Warrior Plus affiliate program. And I'm also going to share with you the other important tabs you need to be aware of on this website so you can make the most commissions as fast as possible. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly powerful traffic source so you can drive massive traffic to your affiliate links and start to produce commissions even on autopilot. So the very first thing you want to do is, if you're not a member of Warrior Plus, you want to go to warriorplus.com and you want to go to this free sign up. Okay, once you click that, you can actually create a free account. Now, I already have an account, so it pre-populated my information, but you would just fill out a username, a password, okay, that you want to use in the future, and then create account. Now, once you're inside, okay, there's a lot of different things you can look at, but I want to simplify this very, very simply, okay, because Warrior Plus is a great place to find mainly make money online or online marketing type products, okay? So if you're in that niche or you want to promote products in that niche, then this is a great platform, okay? So what I want to direct your attention to first off is the marketplace tab at the top, okay? If you click that and you go to top products, what this is going to share with you are what are the top products that are selling right now on Warrior Plus. Now, the advantage of going here is if you promote products that are selling well today, okay, or within the last 30 days, as you can sort by clicking this button here, what you're going to find is you're going to also be able to make some really good sales as well, okay, because there's a lot of buzz. People are creating YouTube videos about these products. People are sending emails to their email list right now because these products are hot. So if you start promoting them too, chances are you're gonna be able to make some sales too, okay? So that's the first place I usually look. Also, categories is pretty cool. You can go in there if you have a specific, laser targeted niche, or you wanna, promote a certain product that maybe has to do with traffic, okay? You can literally just click the traffic category, and now it drops down these different products that have to do with traffic. And if the product's already been out for a while, you're gonna be able to see a rating. Okay, so you can kind of judge, is this product actually good? Because again, it's not just about promoting a popular product. We want to minimize refunds, okay? Because with Warrior Plus, they're actually going to hold your money for a little bit, okay? Because they want to make sure there's no refunds, there's no people asking for their money back. And again, if you promote a product that's popular, but also, high rated, then you're going to really minimize the chance of having to give away some of the money that you made, okay? But what I usually like to do, and again, you can go to alerts, that's kind of setting an alert for a specific product creator. Deal of the day, okay, I don't really go there that much. What I usually do is the dashboard, okay? So if you go into your affiliate dashboard, now I haven't used this specific account with Warrior Plus lately. I've actually been using an affiliate system where you can get paid instantly up to $2,000 commissions. I'll include a link in the description. That first link will take you to a free overview video if you want to know what I'm actually using right now. But in the past, I've made thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus, and you'll see your stats here, okay? You'll also see your daily stats. This is important, again, to see what's working, okay? Because again, you could be sending traffic, but if the product isn't converting, you want to switch the product, okay? So this is your dashboard. But if you go to offers, okay, under the affiliate tab, this is where you can start to find offers to actually promote. This is my #1 place to go with Warrior Plus. And there's a lot of tabs here, okay? So the offer, this is the offer name, okay? So crypto commissions, profit app, these are different product names. Release date, okay, this is the date that it was actually launched. Sales, okay, so this is how many sales this product has, how many people have bought this product. Conversion rate, okay, so this means out of how many people that have seen this product decide to buy, what percentage, 11%, this is actually incredible, okay? Usually you'll get about a 2% conversion rate, 11% is incredible. Visitor value, okay, this is actually really important. This is kind of the the earnings per click. Okay, so if you're familiar with those words, basically what this means is what's the average amount of money you're going to make per click, per visitor. So if you're using traffic like pay per click, for example, and you know that, hey, I'm spending $1 per click. Well, the average that everyone on Warrior Plus is making is $3.39 per click. Then that right there is going to allow you to profit. Okay. Average dollar per sale. Okay. So this is like how much money per sale. So a lot of these products have different upsells, different, they have funnels. So you're not just, when you promote a product like this crypto commissions, usually you're not just promoting the crypto commissions product, you're also promoting all the upsells. They may have like downsells. Okay. So this is the average amount of money that most people make when they send traffic to this. Okay. So $35.51. And the refund rate, okay, this is very important. Okay, we want to pick a product that has a very low refund rate. Now these, the ones that have zero, often it's because they just launched. Okay, so this is a new product at the time of recording. So the refund rate is very, zero. But in a couple days, this will probably have a little bit refunds. But again, that's not that bad, 0 or even like 6%, anything below about 8%. And as you keep watching this video, I'll share with you my exact criteria that I usually use to actually choose a Warrior Plus product. So you want to stick in this video. But basically, the last thing right here, okay, this is a little heart, and if you open this up, it'll actually describe it. Basically what the pulse score is, an indicator of affiliate performance for that offer. Okay, so a higher pulse would indicate more overall activity. So essentially, just like in ClickBank, the gravity score is a good score to use to choose a product. It shows how many other affiliates are seeing success. This is a similar thing. Okay, so the higher the pulse score, the better, okay, this product's actually performing. And then if you see a product that you want to promote, all you do is click this request button. Okay, now I'll do this as an example. You click request, and then you can see more information on this actual product. Okay, so you can actually go down. It has information on what if they have any bonuses you're going to get if you sell a certain thing. You can see right here. Okay, they have a contest going on. You can also view the sales page. Okay, which is very important. You want to make sure that the sales page is congruent to what you're promoting. If you already have an email list, or if you're promoting a certain using a certain traffic source, is this sales page professional looking? I'll be honest, some of the Warrior Plus sales pages are a little bit low quality. Okay, they're not going to be often as high quality as ClickBank, but some of them are less competitive. Okay, so you want to think about that. But I kind of look at the sales page, is this a good high quality sales page? Is it something that maybe I'll buy? Funnel map, okay, this is kind of cool. This is like where you can actually see the different upsells, things like that. Sometimes they don't have it ready. This right here, you can see, okay, so the main page, then it goes to this probably an upsell, then these offers, okay, and then downsell right here, etc. Okay, so this is the funnel. So again, you can earn often with these Warrior Plus products on many different levels. Also, they have reoccurring commissions, which is pretty cool as well. You can go to the products to see the different products. And last but not least, you can just click request approval. Okay. Now, if you're brand new to Warrior Plus, I highly recommend you write a little note into this box right here. Okay. Now I have quite a bit of sales with Warrior Plus, so often they'll approve me without me having to actually, write in anything. But if you're brand new to Warrior Plus, I highly recommend you write something that convinces the product owner to actually approve you, okay? Because they don't want to approve random people that are going to spam their links, everywhere. That's why, again, as you watch my other YouTube training, you'll see, top free traffic, top paid traffic that works, that people, like to actually approve you with, because it, just works incredibly well. But anyway, you could say something like, hey, I'm looking to promote your great product. I have been learning a lot of great traffic sources. I'm looking to use, and then name one of the traffic sources that you think you're going to use. Okay, and again, as you keep watching this video, I'll share one of the easiest traffic sources you can use, and you could write that in here. And then you just say, you know, I really look forward to promoting your product, okay? And then you just request offer. Now, when you request offer, again, sometimes you'll get approved instantly. Sometimes it may take a few days. So, okay, my request has been sent. Now, when I get approved, I'll get an email, okay, with the email that I signed up with Warrior Plus. So whatever email I used here, that's how I'll be notified of my approval. Again, usually takes a few days. I highly recommend you actually apply to more than one product at a time. Okay, just go down here and apply to the products that fit the criteria that I'm about to share right now. That way you can have a lot of products that you can start to promote. And if you're waiting for some, you know, it's not going to stop your promoting. So what criteria do I use? Well, the first thing is I look at the release date. I don't want to promote anything that's too old. Okay, so if it's like 2000, you know, if it's like a few years old, I won't even do it. Okay, so you want to promote something that's within a year or less. Sales, okay, often at least 100 sales or more, because if they don't have at least 100 sales, okay, then there's not enough data really to tell if this product's good. I also look at the earnings or the visitor value with Warrior Plus, okay? I look at something, you know, at least $1 per click, okay? Because if it's like 50 cents, it's not really that, you know, this right here, like 65 cents. There's so many products on here that, you know, why would I promote something like that? And the refund rate, okay? That's really the last statistic that I look at. And again, anything below about 8% is good, okay? And I would promote that. So let's find a product real quick. So again, you know, the one that we applied to really fits that criteria. So 3,000 sales, okay? It's within, you know, less than a year, 3,000 sales. Visitor value is $3.39 and a 0% refund rate, okay? Now, like I said, I actually wouldn't probably choose this. I'd wait a few days because it's brand new. This product here, okay, this is actually good right here, okay? 3%, $3.50 visitor value, 3,000 sales, and it released within a year, okay? So I would go here, look it over, you know, I'd open the sales page, you make sure I resonate with it. Does it look professional? If it has a lot of sales, then chances are it's going to be a good sales page anyway. And then I would just request approval. If you're new, write a little note. You can just copy paste the same note, honestly, to a lot of different people. Request offer, and there you go, okay? Now, like I said, I want to share with you at the end of the video how to actually start getting tremendous amount of traffic that's high quality so you can start making commissions with Warrior Plus as soon as this week. Now, I actually have a video, okay? Now, this video right here, I did about 3 weeks ago at the time of recording. It's how to make $500 or more per day using solo ads. If you don't know what solo ads are or you've struggled to make commissions with them, you must watch this video. I'm gonna put a card on right now, and I'll actually include a link in my description. When you watch this video, you're gonna learn step by simple step how to actually use Udemy, okay, which is a platform where you can get solo ad traffic. This is where you can pay someone to send an email out to their email list. And when they click that link in their email, you can have it sent to your Warrior Plus affiliate link, okay? Now, the reason I love solo ads is there's very, very little moving pieces. It's incredibly easy for newbies. And honestly, as you'll learn watching this video, you can pick sellers, okay, that are virtually guaranteed to make you sales, as you'll learn in that video. Now, I hope you got a tremendous amount of value. Now, before you go though, like I said, I don't often use Warrior Plus. The payouts can be slow and you're giving away a good portion of the money you make to the product creator. If you want to discover a free video that will break down my #1 affiliate system that can pay you up to 100% commissions, instantly paid in some cases where you don't have to wait, go down to that first link under the video, watch that overview, and I really think you're going to be blown away by that affiliate system. Anyway, my friend, also be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step weekly training videos with affiliate marketing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.